Hello, this is Adam Lamar creating this video for the Soraa support team and also for my customer Jane Drucker up in the Washington area. Problem is an electrician has complained that he cannot fit our lamp with snap trims into a Juno slot aperture trim. I do have a housing on the way, but as it turns out, we do not need it. The reason we do not need it is because the socket is free floating, and so the only parts that interfere with the lamp fit are going to be both this anchor piece here and the lamp holder. So this is 100% responsible for holding that in. That is where the problem is. Now, if you're using something like a Halo iris fixture, you've got a permanently set socket either on the upper surface of the housing inside or on a gimbal ring, but then the trim is just an afterthought. It does not have anything to interfere with that. But here's a little bit different. It's not pleasant, I am going to freely admit that, but it is doable. And what makes this especially unpleasant is, in addition to the clips, Soraa does not have a smooth housing on their lamp because we made our housing into a heatsink. So that's so that kind of creates a little bit of interference there. So first of all, what you want to do is actually put the snap trims in, the snap lenses into the trim before. Make sure that you do not have the writing outside, or inside, make sure that the writing is outside and this little blank area is inside, because that is what the lamp grabs onto, and you hear that little snap. Okay, so then just kind of work that in. So now you've cleared the clip and the anchor. Now with the lamp, first of all, you want to clear the anchor because it's almost impossible, or rather clear the clips. And this is where it gets a little bit funky, because now wherever the clips catch, you have to pull that apart. And then finally, kind of press in, because right now there's really no interference, but the snap lenses aren't really centered, so you just kind of have to rotate the whole thing. Okay, so now you see you've got the anchor, you've got the lamp perfectly centered, so everything is now one solid unit. And there you have your snap trim in there. So I used linears, which would be a little bit tricky. It'd be better if you just had a circular beam spreader or a color filter. Okay, now you can see that the fit is kind of tight with just with the two snap lenses. So if there's a clear filter in your trim that you want to use, you can only use one snap lens. Otherwise, if you want to use a combination of two Soraa snaps, you would have to remove any clear filter that is already inside of the trim. One was, but for your information, one was not included with the trim that I just received today. I hope this will help you. I hope this will help your electrician. And again, it's just unfortunately the difficulty arises again just from the combination of the clip construction that Juno puts in its trims combined with our lovely little heatsink here. Anyway, you have a splendid weekend, and please call me if you need further information or guidance on this.